Welcome to my YouTube channel, where I'm here to help you take control of your diabetes through the power of lean protein. If you're looking for practical tips and advice on managing diabetes while enjoying delicious meals, you've come to the right place. In each video, I'll be sharing the top 5 benefits of incorporating lean protein sources into your diet for diabetes management. From blood sugar control to heart health, I'll break down the science and show you how to make simple, nutritious recipes that are both satisfying and diabetes-friendly. Join me on this journey as we discover the incredible benefits of lean protein and pave the way towards a healthier, happier life with diabetes. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an episode. Let's get started. 1. Blood sugar control. Including lean protein sources in your meals can be highly beneficial for blood sugar control. Lean proteins, such as skinless poultry, fish, tofu, and legumes, have a minimal impact on blood sugar levels compared to high-carbohydrate foods. When consumed together with carbohydrates, lean proteins help slow down the digestion and absorption of carbohydrates in the body. This slow digestion process can prevent rapid spikes in blood glucose levels, providing more stable and controlled blood sugar levels over time. By incorporating lean proteins into your meals, you can help manage your blood sugar levels more effectively and reduce the risk of experiencing sudden glucose fluctuations. Remember, it's important to maintain a balanced and well-rounded diet that includes carbohydrates, proteins, and healthy fats. Always consult with your healthcare professional or a registered dietitian to personalize your dietary approach based on your specific needs and goals. Together, we can work towards better blood sugar control and improved overall health. 2. Satiety and weight management. Including lean protein sources in your meals can be incredibly helpful for satiety and weight management. Protein-rich foods have been shown to increase feelings of fullness and satisfaction, which can be beneficial for controlling appetite and managing weight. When you consume lean proteins, they take longer to digest compared to carbohydrates or fats. This slower digestion process helps you feel fuller for a longer duration, reducing the tendency to overeat or indulge in high-calorie, high-sugar foods. By incorporating lean proteins into your meals, you can curb cravings and snacking, making it easier to maintain a healthy calorie balance. In addition to promoting satiety, lean proteins also have a higher thermic effect, which means your body requires more energy to digest and process them. This can contribute to increased calorie expenditure and potentially aid in weight management. Remember, maintaining a balanced diet is key. While lean proteins are beneficial, it's important to include a variety of nutrient-rich foods, including whole grains, fruits, vegetables, and healthy fats, to ensure you're meeting your nutritional needs. As always, consult with your healthcare professional or a registered dietitian to develop a personalized eating plan that suits your specific goals and dietary requirements. By incorporating lean proteins and making mindful food choices, you can support weight management and overall well-being. 3. Muscle maintenance and repair. Lean protein sources play a crucial role in muscle maintenance and repair, which is especially important for individuals with diabetes. Diabetes can sometimes lead to muscle loss, particularly in those with poor blood sugar control. Lean proteins are rich in essential amino acids, which are the building blocks of muscle tissue. When you consume lean protein sources, your body can utilize these amino acids to support muscle growth, repair damaged tissues, and prevent muscle wasting. By including lean proteins such as poultry, fish, tofu, and legumes in your diet, you provide your body with the necessary nutrients to maintain and repair muscles. This is particularly beneficial for individuals with diabetes, as it can help counteract the muscle loss that may occur. Additionally, regular physical activity, including strength training exercises, can further support muscle health and enhance the benefits of lean protein consumption. Combining a balanced diet with appropriate exercise can help preserve and build muscle mass, leading to improved overall strength, mobility, and metabolic health. As always, it's important to consult with your healthcare professional or a registered dietitian to develop an individualized nutrition and exercise plan that suits your specific needs and medical condition. Together, we can work towards optimizing muscle maintenance, preventing muscle wasting, and promoting overall well-being for individuals with diabetes. 4. Heart health. Incorporating lean protein sources into your diet can have a positive impact on heart health. Here's how. Low in saturated fats. Lean protein sources like fish, skinless poultry, and legumes are typically low in saturated fats. High intake of saturated fats is associated with an increased risk of heart disease. By choosing lean proteins, you can reduce your intake of unhealthy fats and promote heart health. Omega-3 fatty acids. Fish such as salmon, mackerel, and sardines are not only lean protein sources but also rich in omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats have been shown to have cardioprotective effects. Omega-3 fatty acids can help reduce inflammation, lower triglyceride levels, improve blood vessel function, and decrease the risk of abnormal heart rhythms. By including fatty fish in your diet or considering omega-3 supplements, under the guidance of a healthcare professional, you can further support heart health and reduce the risk of cardiovascular complications. Remember to balance your diet with other heart-healthy foods such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, and healthy fats like avocados and nuts. Maintaining a well-rounded and varied diet is key to overall cardiovascular well-being. As always, consult with your healthcare professional or a registered dietitian to determine the optimal intake of lean proteins and omega-3 fatty acids based on your specific health needs and any existing medical conditions. Together, we can work towards promoting a healthy heart and a better quality of life. 5. Nutrient density. Lean protein sources offer a high level of nutrient density, meaning they provide a rich array of essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Here's how they contribute to overall health and diabetes management. Vitamins and minerals. Lean protein sources, such as poultry, fish, tofu, and legumes, are excellent sources of important vitamins and minerals. These include B vitamins, such as B12 and niacin, zinc, iron, magnesium, and potassium. These nutrients are essential for various bodily functions, including energy metabolism, immune system function, nerve health, and red blood cell production. Antioxidants. Lean proteins also contain antioxidants that can help protect the body against oxidative stress and inflammation. Oxidative stress is a condition that arises when there is an imbalance between free radicals and antioxidants in the body, leading to cellular damage. Including antioxidant-rich foods, such as lean proteins, can help combat oxidative stress and reduce the risk of chronic diseases, including diabetes complications. Immune support. Adequate intake of essential nutrients found in lean proteins can support a healthy immune system. A well-functioning immune system is crucial for individuals with diabetes, as they may have a higher susceptibility to infections. The vitamins and minerals present in lean proteins play a role in supporting immune cell function and overall immune response. Repair and recovery. Protein is essential for tissue repair and recovery. When combined with regular exercise, lean protein sources provide the building blocks needed for muscle repair, maintenance, and growth. This is particularly important for individuals with diabetes, as they may be at higher risk of muscle loss or slower healing due to various factors. By incorporating lean protein sources into your diet, you can ensure that you're getting these vital nutrients to support overall health, immune function, tissue repair, and diabetes management. As always, it's essential to consult with your healthcare professional or a registered dietitian for personalized guidance on incorporating lean proteins and other nutrients into your diet for optimal diabetes management. Thank you for watching this video on the benefits of lean protein for diabetes management. I hope you found the information helpful and inspiring. Remember, incorporating lean protein sources into your meals can make a significant difference in controlling your blood sugar levels, promoting satiety, maintaining muscle health, supporting heart health, and providing essential nutrients. Stay tuned for more videos where I'll be sharing practical tips, delicious recipes, and expert advice on living your best life with diabetes. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit from this valuable information. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, so you never miss an update. Thank you once again for joining me on this journey towards a healthier, more vibrant life with diabetes. Remember, with the right knowledge and choices, we can conquer diabetes together. Stay well and take care.